Okay, since I feel like playing and I don't want the camera on me, I'm going to play with the camera on Art's butt and sometimes Grim's face. So, on my metronome, here's Gold Dust Woman by Fleetwood Mac. And I don't know it all, so I'll probably mess up to see how far I can go. Gone gold dust woman, take your silver spoon, dig your grave. Heartless challenge, pick your path and I'll pray. Up in the morning, your sunrise loves to go down. Lousy lovers pick their prey, but they'll never cry out loud. Cry out loud. Oh, did she make you cry, make you break down, shatter your illusions of love? And is it over now? Do you know how to kick up the pieces and go home? Yeah, do. Rock on, ancient queen, follow those who pale in your shadow. Rulers make bad lovers, you better put your kingdom up for sale. Up for sale. Well, did she make you cry, make you break down, shatter your illusions of love and down? And is it over now? Do you know how to pick up the pieces and go home? Well, did she make you cry, make you break down, and shatter your illusions of love and downtown? And is it over now? Do you know how to pick up the pieces and go home? And go home. And go home. And go home. Alright, I hear Tony coming, so that's all I got. Bye.